The Story of Ratios with Darla the Doggy. Darla and her toys.
Here are Darla's toys, and all she wants to do is play with her toys. So we're gonna go play with all of Darla's toys. So there are Darla's toys. Let's see which one she goes after. Go get it. Go get it. Yay! So there are Darla's toys. Let's see which one she goes after. Go get it. Go get your toy. Yay!
So now let's see whether Darla goes after toys or food. So Darla has 8 toys. Would she want the 8 toys, or do you think she's gonna want doggy cupcakes? And if we open the box, we'll see that there are 2 mini doggy cupcakes. Let's see what she goes after.
We have 8 toys. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cupcake down. So now we have 1 to 8. Let's see. She didn't even wait. She went straight for the cupcake.
Who wants a treat? Darla wants a treat. Darla wants a cupcake.
So we have 2 cupcakes to 8 toys.
She's always hungry.
So what does this have to do with ratios? Let's look at a small clip again. Pretty simple, right? So with ratios, we're comparing toys to cupcakes in this video, or cupcakes to toys. Let's talk a little bit more about ratios. So with Darla, we were comparing 2 cupcakes to 8 toys. Now, ratio can be written in 3 different ways. We can say 2 cupcakes to 8 toys. We can also write ratios with colons like this, 2 to 8. We can also use words to describe ratios, 2 cupcakes to 8 toys. Now we have to be careful with ratios. Sometimes ratios describe parts to parts or parts to whole. Let's try to figure out what that means. We're used to saying or practicing with part-to-part ratios. A part-to-part ratio is when we say 2 cupcakes to 8 toys. So 2 cupcakes to 8 toys is a part-to-part ratio. Another way of writing a part-to-part ratio using Darla's story is we can say 8 toys to 2 cupcakes. Now be careful, these ratios are different. Don't get them confused. So let's go play around with part to total or total to part ratios. Now, when we're writing a part to total, we're saying part of the problem is 2 cupcakes, and the total amount of choices Darla had were 2 plus 8, 2 for the cupcakes, 8 for the toys, giving you a total of 10. So now if she wanted to choose the cupcake, she had 2 out of 10 total choices. We can also say something like this: 8 toys out of 10 total. So out of one situation or one scenario with Darla, her toys, and her cupcakes, we were able to discover lots of ratios. For example, 2 cupcakes to 8 toys, or 8 toys to 2 cupcakes, or even 2 to 10, 2 being the cupcakes, 8 being the total number of choices. Or even something like 10 to 8, which can describe 10 total choices to 8 toys. Can you figure out any more ratios using Darla's story? See you later.